Hey everyone, in this video I will give you a deep dive into creating your own SmartForms. As a refresher, SmartForms is the next generation of PIA, bringing auto triage and zero-touch automation together to crush tickets. With SmartForms, you can give your clients a consistent experience via a 365 authenticated portal login. From there, you are able to use our pre-built forms for multiple automations. These include, but are not limited to, user onboarding, user terminations, and password resets. Not only that, we give you the ability to create your own SmartForms. These can be questions that come in by email or phone that you need answered to fulfill their IT request. This eliminates the back and forth, miscommunication, and mistakes, giving a better experience for both client and partner. So let's take a deep dive and create your first SmartForm. In our admin portal, go to the package editor. In the sandbox, you can either create a new sandbox or use an existing. I will use my existing sandbox. Create a new package with a user-friendly name. In this example, I will use my new SmartForm. It is always a good practice to give a good description. Let's add the SmartForm condition to our package. Remove the chat interaction condition from your package. Go over to the condition list on the right and select the SmartForm condition. Here, we will want to insert our text for the form that the client will see. One thing to note in the package editor, on the right is a list of conditions, activities, and variables to use. This lets you easily input text for desired outcomes. Once you click Add, this puts the code in the package, helping you create custom automations and custom SmartForms. Next, you will need to create a form which will be displayed as a SmartForm in the client portal. In the form editor, I will create a form with the following properties. We'll name this my new test form. We'll give it a static name, my new SmartForm test. We'll use this later when we go back to the package editor, so we'll copy and paste that. And let's give it a good description. Now we can add a few fields to the new form. First, we will add a number input. As an example, this will have the contact input a phone number on the SmartForm. Use the Style drop-down in the Edit screen for each field to determine how your form fields will be displayed in the SmartForms portal. For this example, both of the form fields have the style set as full width. A multi-line input will add the request for the SmartForm user. Again, we will edit the Style drop-down to full width since this is for the portal. Make sure to note or copy the static name of the form. We will connect this to the package in the next step. Let's go back to the package editor and add an activity. Go to the activity list on the right and select the SmartForm interaction activity. Add the following input properties to the SmartForm interaction activity. We will also want to remove the chat interaction activity from your package. Here we will add the static name of the form that we created, and then we'll save the package. Now let's promote it to live. Once your SmartForm automation is promoted to live, the next step is to enable your SmartForm for a client. Also, we can go to the actual form for this client and set up stamping rules. When the ticket comes into our PSA, it will triage it according to our rules. Let's go to the portal and see it in action. Here, the client chooses our new test form. I will input a number and the request. Once that is submitted, you will see a ticket number that is created. In our PSA, I will do a refresh so we can see our new SmartForm ticket. Once I open it up, you will see the stamping rules were added. Here is our form that we created. And there you go. You created your first SmartForm. For our partners, you can deep dive into advanced automation concepts of packages and forms. Follow the automation tutorial series in our Knowledge Portal. Thanks for watching, and make sure to sub our YouTube channel to get all the latest content. We'll see you next time.